Trucks are the lifeblood of our economy, connecting people and goods across the globe. As the saying goes, trucks are not just machines. They are the backbone of our transportation system. The Peterbilt 359 is a legendary truck model that has been a favorite among truckers for decades. First introduced in 1967, the 359 was designed to be a heavy-duty truck that could handle the toughest hauling jobs. Over the years, the 359 has undergone several modifications to keep up with changing regulations and technological advancements. In 1973, Peterbilt introduced the 359 successor, the 359A, which featured a number of improvements, including a more powerful engine and improved braking system. The 359A was produced until 1987, when it was replaced by the 389. Throughout its production run, the Peterbilt 359 was known for its rugged reliability and impressive hauling capabilities. The truck's interior was designed with comfort and practicality in mind, featuring a spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and a range of amenities, including air conditioning and a radio. Today, the Peterbilt 359 is a highly sought-after collector's item, with restored models selling for tens of thousands of dollars. In fact, a fully restored 1976 Peterbilt 359 recently sold at auction for over $100,000. For those looking to purchase a Peterbilt 359, prices vary depending on the model year, condition, and level of restoration. Here are some approximate price ranges for new and used Peterbilt 359 models. 1967 to 1970 to Peterbilt 359, $10,000, $30,000. 1973 to 1987, Peterbilt 359A, $20,000, $50,000. Restored Peterbilt 359 models, $50,000, $100,000 plus. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or just a fan of big rigs, the Peterbilt 359 is an iconic model that is sure to impress. Its rugged reliability, impressive hauling capabilities, and classic styling make it a true legend of the trucking world.